What's y'all boys? We back again. I'm about to get my car tuned today. You feel me? My car is off right now. I'm about to head over to my boy. So we're about to do a little xHP flash tune on my chins. Yeah, we're gonna tune this bitch today, bro. Why the fuck my car not starting? I'm confused. I don't know when I'm gonna drop this video, but yeah, I'm gonna try to drop more videos this month. I got back last night. Now we're back to regular shit. First time driving this shit in a month. So yeah, you know we gotta do sport mode or whatever. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm very excited to get this car tuned. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very, very much excited to get this car tuned. Real shit. But yeah, we're about to head out right now. I think I'm gonna tune my car there. I'm gonna lie, that Mustang across the street from my crib is tough. That shit loud as fuck. Oh God. I fuck with Mustangs too, I ain't gonna lie. Close my garage. Make sure my shit closed. Yup. Manual mode. Yup. Bro, I'm even excited to drive my car again. Like, really shit, bro. About to get active. Man, this bitch feel mad aggressive. Like, what the fuck? Damn. This shit tough, gig. What a bro. This shit is so tough. I gotta wash my car today. Supposed to be going outside today too, you feel me? I'm gonna be outside and shit like that. Yes, sir. Come on, turn me up. Turn me up, nigga. Damn. I can't wait to get this shit too. Oh my mama, what the fuck? Not a Beamer right there. Only like a 530. I mean 330. I'm tripping. 3 Series. But I swear to God, my car is not loud enough, bro. I really wanna straight pipe this shit. What the fuck close my phone? Snap, I'm not answering that shit, son. Damn. Hold on. Hey, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We got a lot of content coming out, and I'm doing this shit for y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned, turn on post notification and shit like that. We're about to turn the fuck up in this bitch. Damn. Did y'all hear that just now? My shit sounded like it was a popping fire for a second. Oh God. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I only got a resonator delete too. I wanna straight pipe this shit so bad. Oh, there's a scat right there. Nah, scat. Y'all heard that scat? Be on his ass. Fuck you talking about? We into the ass, nigga. Oh, they fill these potholes out? Let's go. Bro, we can't, I ain't gonna lie. The scat is gone, bro. Boy, going with that cat. That boy all the way up there. 2 minutes away. Text my boy, let him know I'm 2 minutes away. That nigga should have waited, bruh. Alright, y'all, so we just got to bro crib. Feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all up later. Alright, y'all, we back. We just got the car tuned. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know how the car sound or nothing. Since I tuned it, I'm just now leaving bro crib. I haven't pressed gas yet, bro. I just been rolling. Just turn my camera on. Now we're about to see what this shit feel like. You know what I'm saying? But we're about to find out right now. Oh my God, what the fuck? Yo, hold on, twin. I don't even know where I'm going. I think I'm going the right way though. Okay. It's moving. I ain't gonna lie, it's moving. It's moving. I don't know if I'm going the right way though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's moving. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God. Oh my God, the downshifts. But I need more bubbles. That's what I wanted, bro. You feel me? But that's cool to know. I don't got no dome pipes on. I don't really got no upgrades and nothing like that yet. So damn, this should have shift mad fast. Y'all, I don't even know where the fuck I think I'm going the wrong way, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, this shit fast as fuck, nigga. What the fuck? Way, bro. I should have turned up there. What the bus a U-turn? Pass my turn, y'all. Yo, this shit fast as fuck. Bro, I'm not gonna lie though, gang. I wanted some more burble tunes. I think I'm gonna retune it, bro. I think I'm gonna do a custom tune because I just flashed it with the stage 3 tune. It's not really giving me no pops on bings, bro. I need pops on bings. That's what I want. That's what I really want. You know what I'm saying? But I know I don't got no dome pipes or anything like that. It's stock, fully stock. All I have is a resonator delete, and that's it. That's all I have. Nothing else. Damn, what the fuck? This shit tough. That shit tough, y'all. Bro, this shit fast as fuck. What the fuck, bro? Nah. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit is pushing. Y'all, this shit is pushing, bro. What a bro. This shit is pushing. This shit moving. You know what I'm saying? But I really wanted the pops on Binks. That's what I really wanted. You know what I'm saying? Real shit. But this shit moving. I ain't gonna lie. This shit is OD moving. Bro, this tuning shit, gang. This shit fast as fuck. Huh?
You tuned it already?
Yeah, I just tuned it, bro. This shit fast as fuck.
You bought a spot on that? Nah.
Bro, Beast is a capper gang. This nigga's a beta.
Nah, but soon pull up. No cap.